Welcome to the Profit Stream's quick how-to training videos. This quick video will demonstrate how to manage your employees' access in the loyalty application. From your dashboard in Revenue Power, click on the loyalty icon. There's a separate login to manage your advanced settings. On the right-hand side, under Get Started, we're going to click on the first sign-in option. Another option is to log in directly from the website. The web address is new.mymerchantadmin.com. Both of the login options discussed previously will direct you to this screen. Here you'll want to log in using your merchant credentials. If you don't have a login, please submit a support ticket to our service desk team. And this is the main screen that you'll see when you log into the merchant site. To add or modify employees and their login privileges, from the top menu, click on Locations. And again on Employees. To add a new employee, click on the Add button located on the far right-hand side of your screen. If you need to modify an existing employee, from here you would just click on the employee's name. For a new employee, you're going to enter all the information that you see on the screen. If you have an existing employee that you need to modify, you can change any of these fields that we're about to discuss. The employee ID is determined by the merchant. Typically, it's a numeric 1 to 4 digit number. The password is for the web administration access. If you're adding an employee that is going to be allowed access to the online portal, you must assign a password and the system will require a 6-digit password. Then we'd fill in the name fields. The email and the telephone number fields are optional. When adding an employee, the initial status should be enabled, which simply means they're a current employee with an active login. Should you need to suspend their access at any time, you have the option to change the status to quit, suspended, or terminated, and they'll no longer have the ability to log in or run transactions. Password at POS is for any employee that will be entering a password into the terminal. This should also be numeric, but it will be 4 digits in length. On the right-hand side of the screen is where you set the privileges for each employee. Administrator gives the employee access to the online portal. This must be checked in order for them to log in. Before we continue, let's talk about the view versus edit. View means that they'll have the ability to see the information on a screen. Edit means that they'll be able to view and can make changes. Account refers to the loyalty member's account number, which contains card and balance information. Card is the loyalty card number, such as balance and expiration. Customer refers to the consumer's information, such as name, telephone number, and address. Employee is referring to other employees' information. Location is the merchant's location. And then under the broadcast section, it's important that we have these checkboxes unchecked. If the boxes were checked, this would give the employee access rights to send an SMS, text message, or email to the consumer. All marketing campaigns should be managed directly through the marketing engine in Revenue Power. So again, we just want to make sure that these are unchecked. You can also choose what transactions you want the employee to perform. You can select multiple options here by clicking one time on one option, hold down your control key on your keyboard, and then select the additional items. Once you've added or modified the employee and determined their privileges, go ahead and click on the Save button located on the left side of your screen. You should see a message at the top of your screen that'll be highlighted in blue to confirm your changes. And this concludes our quick how-to video for demonstrating how to add or modify employees for your loyalty application. Additional how-to videos and resource guides can be found on your merchant portal.